Hello everyone. Once again I am back with a new and master function of Excel that is called VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP function in Excel that allows you to search for a value in the first column of a range and then return a value in the same row from a specified column. It stands for a vertical lookup. VLOOKUP stands for a vertical lookup. Generally, VLOOKUP has a 4 argument. First is lookup value, then second is table array, third column index number, and fourth is range lookup. Lookup value is the value which you want to search for a first column of the table. And then table array is the range of cells that contains the data which you want to search. The first column in the range should contain the lookup values. And next one is column index number. Column index number is the column number in the table array from which you want to retrieve the value. And the next and last one is range lookup. This is an optional argument. If it's set to a true or omitted VLOOKUP will look for an approximate match value. And if it's set to false, VLOOKUP will only look for an exact match value. So let's see how it works. So VLOOKUP syntax is equals to VLOOKUP. It select the lookup value and then select the table array. It means range and comma. Now it's asking for a column index number. Column index number would be 4. Why? Because we look for a salary value. So salary value contains in a 4th column. First, second, third and 4th. So comma 4 and comma false, exact match. So you get the answer as 35,000. The name of the employee is Jack, who is getting 35,000 salary. Here also you get the answer as a 35,000. Similarly, practice one more time in another way. VLOOKUP equals to VLOOKUP, lookup value, comma, and now select the table array, means range, comma, column index number is 4 and again false. Close the bracket and hit the enter. You get the answer as 18,000. In the March month there have sales of 18,000. So let's move next for a VLOOKUP function with approximate match. In the above we have seen with exact match here, and now move on to approximate match. So equals to, syntax will remain same, VLOOKUP, select the lookup value and table array, column index number 2, and this time approximate match value true. Close the bracket and hit the enter. You get the answer as a 3%. Why 3%? Because 18,000 to 19,999 there is slab of 3% commission, and above that 20,000 and above its slab is 4%. So if you see, if you can change here 19,999, still the tax commission is 3%. Now if you can change here, you can see 20,000, then slab is changed with 4%. So and now you can see the commission amount. You can see here the 585 is the total sales. 19,500 of 3% commission is total amount is 585 is commission amount. So try one more time. Here you can lookup value, VLOOKUP, lookup value, select the table array, column index number 2 and value is a 2 approximate match. Close the bracket, hit the enter, you get the answer as a 10% of east zone having 10% because here total sale is 17,000 and east having slab 15,000 to 17,999. So it's always considered as a nearest value of the tax slab, incentive slab. So it's selected as it's considered as a 10%. Now you can see this multiplied by this, then total incentive amount is 1700. So in this basis you can use a VLOOKUP function with exact match and approximate match at your day-to-day work at your workplace. Hope you guys have enjoyed this learning and thank you for watching, and hope you guys have enjoyed this learning. We'll meet you in the next video with the next topic. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.